Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's start. जर तुला फिट राहायचे असेल तर तुला रोज व्यायाम करणे गरजेचे आहे. If you want to be fit, you need to do exercise every day. If you want to be fit, you need to do exercise every day. तुला कॉम्प्युटर ऑपरेट करता येत नाही? Don't you know how to operate computer? Don't you know how to operate computer? ती काय बडबडत आहे? What is she babbling? What is she babbling? ही तुझी स्वाभाविक प्रतिक्रिया होती. It was your spontaneous reaction. It was your spontaneous reaction. मी लगेच प्रतिक्रिया दिली. I replied immediately. I replied immediately. किती गोड गोंडस मुलगा आहे. What an adorable chubby baby. What an adorable chubby baby. तू जास्तीत जास्त पाणी पिले पाहिजे. You should drink more and more water. You should drink more and more water. मला नेहमी दुसऱ्यांना आनंदी पाहायला आवडते. I always want to see others happy. I always want to see others happy. तू त्या संधीचा वापर करू शकला नाही. You couldn't use that opportunity. You couldn't use that opportunity. 3 वाजले आहेत. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. जसं तुला ठीक वाटेल. As you feel like. As you feel like. चल 2 मिनिटांचा ब्रेक घेऊया. Let's have a 2 minutes break. Let's have a 2 minutes break. हे कसे झाले? How did this happen? How did this happen? तुम्ही कोणत्या डॉक्टरांना दाखविले? Which doctor did you consult? Which doctor did you consult? ते वाया घालवू नको. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Like, share and subscribe.